What's our purpose? Why do we exist? Why do we get up in the morning? It's not about we invest, it's not about we advise, that we partner with our clients to achieve their goals and dreams.
Think about what you think they need to be successful. We're going to take all the information that we get from today and build a technology roadmap for Hewison going forward.
It's easy to forget how amazing technology is when you use it every day. Tech on its own is never enough, because what we need is human interpretation on top of the technology.
I think the value of fun has really come to the surface on this conference, particularly the less formal sessions, such as the team building one we did today.
I've definitely noticed the value of family come to light. Your work is a second family, and it's an opportunity to build these relationships with people you see every day.
I've really enjoyed the conference so far. It's been a great opportunity to get to know a lot more people better on a more personal level.
So the values of the campus, but what really steers the ship is culture.
In the time that I've been here, I've done more social activities as a team and team building exercises than I've done in the previous 8 years anywhere else.
I really believe that the value that's come to the fore over the last couple of days is empowerment. Seeing so many people step up, take a lead, come up with so many great ideas. That's actually what this conference was designed for back in 1994.
It's helped empower each individual, which collectively empowers the organisation, which I think is really important.
I think excellence has really come to the surface over the last couple of days. I think as people get a better understanding of our business, of our why, they're striving to do better. So the awards night tonight, it recognises excellence in our organisation, and excellence is all about going that extra mile.
Welcome to the annual Hewison Private Wealth Excellence Awards. Tonight, we honour those among us who have championed values, who have performed at the highest standards to drive the success for our clients and for our organisation.
It's actually the people here that have kept me here for 8 years.
This is the best business going round. It's the best group of people going round. Why would you want to be anywhere else?
I'm very grateful for the recognition. I'm very happy to be a part of what Hewison is and looking forward to more of these days in the future.